So, a little while ago, I did a video about modular homes, and I included part of this video where I talk about these park models that look like cabins, and they are very cute, which I'll reiterate here, but very expensive, which I'm going to talk to you about their layouts today and about prices, and more importantly, add ons, which make them pretty cost prohibitive. Now, if you're going to put a park model like this and rent it, I don't advise against that because it's all wood. And once wood is damaged, you got to replace. It's expensive to fix. Anyway, you can do that, buy them and rent them, but I still think it's kind of cost prohibitive, in my opinion. But you can see what we discovered here, and I'll show you the layouts, and you can decide for yourself.
This is a park model, and so a park model is a little bit different than a modular or stick built. So this is on wheels, and by law, it's got to be less than 400 square feet. But you can see that they've got some pretty tall ceilings in here. So it's got to be able to go down the road so they know the dimensions of what they can handle and what they can't handle. But absolutely adorable.
It's a little loft, goes up here, pretty tiny. Nevertheless, on your knees, you could get around in this.
Closes it in a little bit.
Screened off.
And it's a lot cheaper, but at the same time, it's still doable as a house.
Yeah, the stairs are pretty steep. It's got everything you need. Stackable. Nice. A good sized bedroom. That's a closet space. Okay. Per square foot, they are very expensive. And, I just don't think it's a good option unless you're only going to spend a weekend in it. But really tight and not good for resale, which is probably something everyone should consider when buying any kind of home. So this base price for this particular model is, each one has a name, but I didn't think it was relevant to tell you that. But the important thing is to know that the base price is very different from what you're going to end up paying. And that's what we discovered. That you go in there and they show models with beautiful fireplaces, and then you find out it's $3,000 or $4,000 more. And then everything from fixtures to the washer and dryer to the kind of cabinets to the kind of handles on the cabinets. I mean, we were like kind of shocked when we found out the difference in these particular, base prices aren't even relevant. I mean, think about it. It's everybody wants some sort of convenience. Oh, do I want a stove? Yeah, I think so. So, that's what you got to think about when you're looking at these particular park models. They're adorable, no doubt about it, outside and inside. But in the end, they're very costly. And we've discovered modular home is the way to go. You can get exactly what you want and a bigger square footage and just nicer. And again, you're going to pay a delivery charge no matter what. So this is all something you need to think about. And you can go and interview with these people. You can do some research online, but we've done it and tried to, show you what we discovered. And hopefully you've learned something and it's been insightful. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know it's quick, but it's just something I wanted to share. I've been wanting to share this for a while. I think it's like the last video in this series of what kind of home can you buy. You can always do stick built, but I find stick built tends to be they'll promise 350 a square foot, 250 a square foot, and you'll end up paying a lot more for that because oh, we didn't include this. Oh, we didn't include that. So it's challenging. But I hope you have good luck while you're doing your own research and if there's any questions that I can answer, I'd be glad to. But honestly, I'm just getting information from these companies. So you'd be best to look yourself and ask questions directly from you. I will say this, though, document everything they say. In fact, we usually, if we talk to them, we ask them to put everything we talked about in an email. So you have something you can fall back on. And you can say, well, no, you said this and you said this price. And it's good to have a backup. And the email is a documented source. In fact, it does stand up in court, just in case. This is a rough idea of the increase in price from the base to all the extra things that we asked about, just to give you an idea of how, I mean, here's a plumbing fixture upgrade, $300. And we didn't go that high end. I mean, a shower, come on. That's why I'm saying you really have to think about what they're charging you for. Okay, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It matters more than you can possibly know. Thank you very much. Bye.